given if a square plus b square is equal to 234 and ab is 108, we have to find the value of a plus b upon a minus b. That is, we are given a square plus b square is equal to 234 and ab is equal to 108. So by using the identity a plus b whole square, we are having a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square in place of a square plus b square we can write as 234 plus 2 into, in place of ab we can write 108. That gives us 234 plus 216, that is equal to 450. Now by using the identity a minus b whole square, we get a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now again in place of a square plus b square we can write 234 minus 2 into 108. That gives us 234 minus 216, that is equal to 18. So it is our equation 1 and equation number 2. Now we are going to divide equation 1 and 2, that is a plus b whole square upon a minus b whole square, that is equal to 450 upon 18. Now taking the square root on both the sides. So this square will get cancelled, so we will get a upon b upon a minus b is equal to 450 upon 18. You can simplify it more, like it will go by 9. It is 9 2s are 18 and 225 into 2, 450. That is 225, the square root of 225 is 15 and the square root of 9 is 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So a plus b upon a minus b is equal to 5.